The World Solar Challenge is the World Championship of solar racing. It's the biggest event of its kind, 3,000 kilometers through the Australian outback. What makes it so unique is that teams from all over the world come here to participate in this race and show the possibilities of renewable energy. Our team has won 7 out of 11 participations, making us the most successful team in the world. Our mission is to show the possibilities of sustainable innovation. If a team of students can build a car that runs on solar energy in 1 year and cross an entire continent with it, then maybe there's more possible than we think.
Yeah, first of all, it is that we are working together with young, ambitious students who have really a target. They bring also a little bit more spirit to us, to our work, what we're doing. Now, NTT Data is offering a lot of stuff also to the project. It is not just that we're doing the sponsoring. We are offering a platform, a data platform, and we feed it with the data from the race court and the historical data we have from the technology, from the documentation, from the developments. We can take our proven things and merge it together with the Brunel team to build something completely new.
When I first heard about our collaboration with NTT Data Business Solutions, my first reaction was really excited. And the possibilities that generative AI bring to speed up our work process would really help us towards the finish line in Australia.
Because we work with data every day, basically. This was for us the perfect chance to really take big steps here and incorporate these new technologies.
Brunel Solar Racing Team has the challenge of having tons of data, sometimes 25 years old. And now the biggest challenge is when we come to the next year's racing team to take this data and use the data in a more intelligent and more clever way.
We have over 25 years of documents and design files, but they're really hard to access because they're all in one giant folder. So with this new documentation tool, we finally get to efficiently search through all of the knowledge we have accumulated through our 25 years.
So we built it, put it in a model, and this model is trained with more data. And then we can ask the right questions to that. We can ask the questions about, show me the documentation of the solar panel.
We have a lot of different code bases inside of our project for telemetry, for the board computer of the car. NTT Data with their documentation tools and code analysis tools has really helped us better grasp what the structure of our code is like and where improvements may lie in the future. These innovations will make a huge difference during the race because we need to drive for 3,000 kilometers without any errors. At that point, code quality becomes really important, and anything we can do to increase the robustness of our code really goes a far way. We have an electronically controllable fin on our car, and some of the code that was responsible for the communication between the different parts was having an issue where it wasn't receiving messages. And NTT Data's tools gave some really nice suggestions on how to simplify the code, and it actually led to a solution.
With sensor technology, we get the data. So these are data which are from the racing car straight transferred to our cloud. So with that, we are using digital twin technology and IoT technology to get the data. We're using these Apple Vision Pros as a 3D replicate. We can walk through the model. In 3D, we have a real interaction with a physical racing car.
I think using a digital twin really allows you to model every detail in the car in a very good quality and allows us to more quickly notice what is wrong and what should be fixed, for example.
The most valuable thing I learned when working together with NTT Data is how you can really make huge steps in these kinds of projects when you have the right expertise and knowledge available.
These kinds of shared goals really allow us to do these kinds of projects that we otherwise would not have time to do in a very short time frame.
This year we've started a collaboration with NTT Data Business Solutions because we see a lot of alignment in our missions. We both want to show the possibilities of sustainable innovation. We are very happy to work together with such a leading company in the development of some interesting innovations that will hopefully help us push the boundaries of what's possible. and help us to our 8th victory in Australia.
We're currently standing here at the finish line in Adelaide at Victoria Square, where we arrived yesterday. The innovations of NTT Data has helped us with our victory by integrating GenAI into our workflow. And this was definitely most useful in our testing phase in the Netherlands, but also in Australia, where we could do data analysis, but also have our documentation ordered by GenAI. And this has helped us be more efficient and have more concrete steps. I think what this really means for us is that we have even more drive to innovate, and that we show that with new ideas we can stay on top and get the best possible solar car, and that we've also shown the limits of sustainable technology and how far it has progressed.